Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you 5 useful iPhone tips and tricks that I use in my daily life that make my life much easier. So let me show you. The first trick is that with the latest iOS update you can customize the icons or shortcuts on your lock screen. So if you long press on your lock screen, you can actually click on the customize button, and here you can customize these different things. So I have set up Google Translator, Google Maps, Google Search. So you need to have that app, so you can click on any of these and customize them. But the second thing is that in the previous iOS versions you could not update these buttons, like you have the torch and the camera. Let's say if you want to have any other button, you can just click on the minus button, click on add, and you can select any of these shortcuts. If you have Snapchat installed, you can also select Snapchat as well. So in my case I'm just going to add this Shazam icon, and after that that's done. You can just click on the done button and that will be updated. Now if you just long press on any of the icon, it will open that app. In my case it's opening and listening via Shazam. The second trick or tip is that if you scroll down from the top right, you have this control center and you can actually customize it to add your own shortcuts. So if you long press on it, you can see we have these different options. You can click on add control, and now you can select any of these different controls available, and you can add multiple controls. So in my case I usually like the low power mode control here, so that when I see my iPhone is low on use, I can just simply click on this shortcut directly from the control center instead of going to the settings, battery and so on. So in this way you can add multiple controls via this control center shortcuts. Now the third trick is very useful and you might use it daily. So if you don't know, if you open the camera on your iPhone and if you take picture of anything which has text on it, you open that picture, you just have to wait, and if you sometimes you need to click on it, you will see a little icon right here. So that will basically allow you to copy the text. So here you can see we have this little OCR icon. If I click on it, you can see it has detected the text, and if I long press on it, I can actually copy the text from this image and I can paste it anywhere. So if you have different things where you want to take picture and want to copy the text, you can use the built-in iPhone's camera and within the Photos app, and you can just copy text by taking images of that thing. The fourth tip is that if someone asks you to scan their barcode, then you do not need a dedicated app on the iPhone. You can just simply open the camera app and you can point your camera to the barcode. You will see it will show and scan the barcode. You can just simply click on the link and it will open that relevant link or the code from that barcode. So that's another useful trick for the iPhone users that most of the people don't know about. And the last trick or tip is that you can actually shake your iPhone to undo an action. So let's say if I have accidentally deleted this email, I can shake my iPhone, you can see undo, and I can click on undo and I will undo that task. So it will work with most of the applications, not with all of them. So for this you need to go to settings. Now in the search just type shake. You will see the option shake to undo. Click on it and just make sure that shake to undo option is enabled, as it is in my case. So this is another neat feature that the iPhone has and most of the people don't know about. So yeah guys, these are the 5 useful tips or tricks that I use with my iPhone daily to make my life much easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have any other tips or tricks that you use with your iPhone, do tell me in the comment section below. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.